Hi guys, welcome back to Joy Kitchen. Today I will preparing pork and chicken adobo. It's very simple. I have only two ingredients, which is bell pepper, garlic, and I use 3 chicken breasts and also 2 pounds of pork. So I boiling these pork ribs for 45 minutes. Okay, so I have to start 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. My pork and chicken adobo is different than the other pork and chicken adobo because usually there's no bell pepper, but I added bell pepper. And I didn't put peppercorn and also bay leaf, but you can add if you want. First, I'm adding the chicken, then I have to cook for 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, my chicken, it's been cooking for 10 minutes. Then now I have to add my pork. So guys, just to let you know, I'm boiling my pork ribs for 45 minutes. Then I have to put my seasoning, chicken bouillon. Use 1 tablespoon. Then my soy sauce. So that's 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and I think I have to add another one. I'm using 3 tablespoons of soy sauce. I will add one more. So it's 4 tablespoons of soy sauce. And now I have to put a vinegar. Vinegar. Two tablespoons of vinegar. Then last is oyster sauce. Just 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Now I have to put my bell pepper. This is a unique adobo. It's different than other adobo because when you cook adobo, there should not have bell pepper. But since my husband, he loves bell pepper, so I have to add a bell pepper in my pork and chicken adobo recipe. When you cook adobo, you can add 3 bay leaves and 1 tablespoon of peppercorn. But our pork and chicken adobo is unique. There is no bay leaf and peppercorn in my recipe. Now it's been cooking, so I have to add more soy sauce. Then I will let the bell pepper to cook for 5 minutes. Now it's been cooking for 5 minutes. Now I have to add 2 more tablespoons of oyster sauce. more tablespoons of vinegar. Since I don't have enough sauce, I will add a sauce from the pork ribs that I boiled. Just half a cup. Then 1 tablespoon of paprika. And 1 tablespoon of onion powder. So cook another 2 minutes. Now my adobo, it's been cooking 2 minutes. Now it's done. Turn this off. Here's my pork and chicken adobo. Just to let you know, the adobo tastes good on the first day, but even better on the second day after the flavor blending in the fridge. The ingredients is listed in the description below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much guys for watching. Until next time, have a wonderful evening. Bye!